So welcome back. I just finished doing this design, so I thought let's do a tutorial of it. So I have included all the resources I used, the bold text, the background, the chain. I have included them in the design file, and the link is in the description below. Now I used already made background because I did this design. I did it in just um 10 minutes because I wasn't ready to waste my time. And the image of this man, I will not be including it in this file. I will delete it. So if you want to use the image of somebody else, you can go ahead and you can download yours. But this man is a popular man, and I can't give people access to his pictures like that. It's somehow it's not right. So if you need picture of somebody you will use, you can go to Unsplash. Let's get this done. Unsplash. Um, just type control Unsplash type African man. So that's the African man. So you can pick picture of any of them just for practice, like this man here. So picture of just about anybody, and you can use it in the design. So let's get right to it. So go to File, New, create a new document. You see, let's title it birthday, and then make sure the width is 1080, and then the height is 1350. Make sure it's in pixels, and make sure your resolution is set to 300, and create. So now we have this. So I want you to go to the design file, drag and drop the background. Now, how did I get this background? When you go to Pinterest, when you get into Pinterest.com, just type flyer background. You will be shocked that there are some lovely background. See, this is the one I downloaded. So there are some lovely background already made in case you want to do a fast design. Now, you can decide to do any of these things yourself. But in case if you want to do a fast design, because the background does take time. I'm telling you, 80% of your time is spent at the background. Because trying to apply this sun effect, the light effect, the blur, come on, it takes time. So you want to sometimes improvise. So just go download any of this background and you're good to go. So let me just drag and drop background I used. Let me put it here. Let's wait for it to load. It should load in. Okay, good. Now just click OK. Good. So just make it fit. Good. So now let me download pictures. Let me do exactly what I said you guys should do. Let's pick this man. I don't know him. I have no idea who he is, but I'm going to be using his image for this design. So I'm not going to be using the image of that man because, of course, so this picture of someone. So very fast, you remove the background, select subject. This is AI done for you way of removing backgrounds. So you don't want to be selecting it one after the other with the pen tool. That's there. That's if you want high level of precision and detail. Because when you use pen tool, you have to zoom in very well. But just let Photoshop do it for you. And then Control J. Control J kind of like create a copy of the selected area and then good. So now we have our individual, the man. So we create a layer mask. You come here, add layer mask, you create it, go to your brush, select a brush, make sure it's circle if it is plus. If you have plus in yours, make sure you hit cap lock. Cap lock turn it to its round brush and then you increase it by using the square bracket. You increase it by using the square bracket. That's close to letter P. The right square bracket increases it, the left square bracket decreases it. So you want to do that. You want to erase part of it like so, and then you want to make sure it's centered like so, and then you want to next go to your where's the file folder? Okay, you want to go to the file folder that is in this. You want to unzip this option, extract files. So when you extract file, you get something like this. So you want to open it. When you open it, you get a bold text. Now this, if you go to free pick, you'll find this, but it's premium. So um, but I'm giving it to you free here. So you want to here, you see your text here. So you want to open that and then go to your text tool. Want to click your text tool, then come here, click on the text. It will bring, oh, you don't have this one, just click replace, and then you can select all. That's Control A to select all, or just type the end here, just delete what's there and then write yours. What do we write? Birthday. Good. Then Control A to select all. I want to change it to all capital letter. Good. And I want to change the font to something more. I think I'm using very Felix type. Yeah, it's a default font, so you don't need to download it. Felix Titan. So just put it there. Then click save. Control S. When you save it, it automatically reflects on the original file. So just go to the previous tab. That's this one, and then you see your design, and then but the design is in this edition. So you want to pick this edition, select it, duplicate it, Control J. So Control J duplicates it, and then you want to convert it to smart object, and then you want to switch off all other layers. You want to switch them off so that you have only your birthday. So once you tap them, you switch them off, and then you want to drag just the birthday and bring it to the design you're doing. Now it's going to be really big, so you just control minus. You see minus close to your backspace, then you reduce, you control T, you select it so as to transform it, and then you reduce it very well. Control plus, zoom in. Okay, good. So we have this now. Good. So now you want to write some amazing text. You want to write happy. You want to write happy, and you want to use any normal font. You don't want to use the font I use, just use any normal font, make it capital letter. But in case if you're wondering the font I'm using Font Spring. The name of the font is Criteria CF. So it's free, you can download it. Criteria CF. Good. So just put it here, reduce it a bit, then add a bit of tracking to it here, then you put it here. Happy birthday. Let's write man live. Automatically it starts writing in the same format of the previous one you just did, livelihood. So you want to select all, Control A, and then reduce it. Then let me write this livelihood. Good. Just reduce it. Very good. So what next are we doing? We are adding this text. So you might want to just generate a random text on AI Gemini. Just write a random text. Um, I typed birthday text for boss, so it gave me a lot of options. So I think I selected just copy one of this text and then go to this place and then pick your text. Good, and just enter it and then come here, paste it, and then come to your change it from capital letter. I selected this previously, so I change, take it away from capital letter, turns everything to lowercase. So I reduce the spacing. Usually I like going with minus. I like going with minus 40. Helps keep my text concise. Depends on the font though, but for me minus 40 is okay. So now I want to break it into several lines. Control A, I select everything and then I align it. I want to reduce the font to let's say 8 or rather 6. Yeah, 6 is cool. So I want to put this here so it's readable. I want to move this man up a bit. Don't worry, we'll soon group our layers. They think the layer is just scattered. We'll soon group the layers. Just see, in design, people work differently. Some people, as they work, they group the layers. I don't do that; it slows me down. So after I'm done, I start grouping the layers one after the other. So now this is done. Next, we want to put the September 21. Before that, let's put the image at the background. Let's put this um, gold chain. My livelihood actually sells gold chain, so that's what it does for a living. So I want to include that behind him. You drag once you paste it here, drag and drop it here. You make sure you drag it to the layer behind the man. You drag it to the layer behind the man, and then you make it blur. So just go to make sure the layer of the chain is selected. Go to filter, come to blur, Gaussian blur. Good. Make sure your blur is something around 5. Good. 5 is cool. Good. So we have 5. And then next we want to create this circle, and then we are done. Let me see this. It's already 15 minutes. In the next tutorial, we're going to finish this up. Stay tuned.